Hi, I'm Augustus Sorcy, and on behalf of my associates, Solomon Stevens, Sierra Griffey, and Gabriel McReynolds, I present to you SnowGo.
So this is the first thing that the user sees is our homepage. So we have a little advertisement for the users when they first come in. And then we have a little about us right here. And then we allow all the users to create an account. And then we have a little blurb for the contractors if they want to have a job or anything to get money for. So this is the login screen. It will ask the user their email and password and log in. It does have a validation system if you do put the wrong one in. And if you don't have an account, you can create one. And it allows you to pick your user type and everything. This is our client page, which has a dashboard that you can request service for. And once the contractor completed the service, you can review them with the star rating system and write a little comment for them. When requesting a service, they can input all the important things for the contractor to know of where they live, and if they have salt or not, if they want salt or not, and then the depth of the snow at that time, and the length of their driveway, so you know how much, and they're able to calculate how much money to charge them. We ask if they have reflectors or not, so we can see the end of their driveways or anything like that. And then any notes they want to put down, like make a path to my garage, don't hit something, be careful of this, anything you want to leave for the contractor. And then it'll go to a checkout screen for the total and a credit card input. So this is the contractor side. So this is the first thing the contractor sees after they sign in. They'll see they have little drop bars for their current jobs and completed jobs. And then their completed jobs will have a total for each day of that month. So this is what they have for current and what they completed. And for Solomon?
So our project uses numerous data structures. So we have an array of users, and each user has an array of current jobs and job history. Also, the graph on the contractor dashboard uses a map to hold points on the graph. And all of our data types are stored as JSON in our Firebase database. And so some development problems that we had were getting GitHub to work for everyone, importing the material theme into everyone's project, getting the rating system to work and show for both the client and contractor, and also using the CSS to lay out everything.
So now we're going to do a quick demo to demonstrate our website. And so this is our info page that the user sees right off the bat. And then they can log in up here. And then they can type in their credentials. Now we're going to log in as our client account because we are going to request a service. We're kind of going to simulate requesting and then getting the service and the contractor fulfilling it and ultimately rating it. So this is the dashboard that the client immediately sees. And we're going to hit request service at the very top, and then we're going to fill in some data. So all of our forms are auto validation, so anything that does get messed up, the user will be able to see inconvenient messages that it's not right, such as zip code, as we'll see in this demo. And all of these forms are meant to give the contractor all the information they need to fill a job. Now once the form is complete, the client can hit get service, and then they'll be prompted to enter their credit card information. Now our credit card isn't validated, so you can just enter whatever, and then he'll hit buy. Now once that's done, we're going to log out and log in as our contractor, and then we're going to fulfill the service. So as we log in, this is our contractor that we set up, g.mcreynolds@barabooschools.net. And they can view their current jobs, so if you click to the current jobs, and then you find the one that we just did, Bowling Lane, and then we'll go down to where it says complete job. Now once the contractor has completed the job, they can hit that, and at this point it'll show completed on the client. So if we were to log out and log back in on the client side, he can rate the contractor to tell the contractor kind of what he did wrong or what he did right, and how to go from there. Now once we're logged in as the client, you can click complete jobs, and you can look through all the completed jobs, and we'll scroll down to this one, and we'll click it, and we'll scroll down to rating. And now he did a pretty good job, so we'll give him 4 stars out of 5, and we'll give some comments for the contractor to tell him kind of what he did better and what he can improve on in the future for this client. Now once you submit the rating, the contractor can see in his history jobs what he got, and he can use that to improve. So if we were to log out and log back in as our contractor account that completed the job, he'll be able to view that rating very easily. And there you are, your contractor rating. And then also, if we were to go back and view the graph, it'll show kind of an easy monthly income for how many jobs the contractor has completed and what his pay will be for each job. So it kind of simulates kind of an intuitive UI feel to the whole thing. And that's our project. Thank you very much.